Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. February 28th, Tammy Powley at Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I did a CCC is what I call it. It's a collab contest challenge. And Tammy and I collab to do a contest where the audience scores us 1 through 10 on the outfits that she and I make. Last month, the last time, was flapper dresses. And I told the story earlier that I got a note from Tammy that I hate flapper dresses. Of course, she was joking, and I'm not. I do too. No, I am kidding. They were a lot of work. I was sure Tammy would beat me, so it was quite a surprise, and I want to thank each and every one of you that left a comment, a score, a like on each of our pages. Really appreciate it. We both did put time in on these dresses, but I did win, and thank you very much. Tammy's hard to beat. She really is. She can sew, she's creative, and now she's started face-ups. Please go to Tammy's channel, and she is going to announce the next CCC, that is Collab Contest Challenge, that she and I will be doing. You're gonna like it. You're gonna wanna really participate in this one. Some of you, when you hear it, your ears are gonna perk and your eyes are gonna dance. Thank you too for every single person that participated in the challenge. Absolutely beautiful work. And I'll bet some of you are saying, I hate flapper dresses. The items are so beautiful when you're done, but if you don't sew, I'm gonna tell you, each person that put a video out had a lot of work in their dress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.